Hello everybody. In this video we are going to see how to create a classroom and share the classroom code and make the student to join to the classroom. How to view their circuit and how to evaluate and comment on their circuit design is what today's topic. Go to the tinkercad.com and click join now, and as an educator start here. Check the box, click I agree, sign up with the email, select your country, click done. Okay, well, after creating the login, for the first time when you log in, you will come to this page, and here you won't see any classes. Just it will start with gallery, blog, learn, teach, and search, and your logo. Uh, since I have already created this login as a teacher login, it comes. This classes comes here. I will tell how to change your account as a teacher account. Just go to your profile by clicking this avatar, and go to the bottom here. How will you use Tinkercad? You just have to select it and change the role. If you select teacher, and you will be teacher forever and you can't change it, and if you select it as student, you will be a student forever and you can't change the student role to a teacher role. So first time when you create, don't experiment, just like I did. Just select teacher and save. After saving this, user saved it successfully. After getting this information, you will get this classes now. After changing your role to the teacher, you will see this classes, and click on classes, and here you have to you will have this icon, create new class. Here you have to enter the classroom details. For this demo, simply enter digital electronics or digital system as the classroom name, and for which level of student you are teaching, we have to give. It's for college students, and which field it is, engineering field, and create the classroom, and you can find the classroom is created here. Click on the classroom, and here you can go and add the students, and here you will see the classroom class code. To add a student, click on this icon. I give the name of the student, and you will see the nickname for them. You can edit it or leave it as it is. I'm going to leave it as it is. I don't want to edit it. And you can see the student got added. If we add the student like this for around 60 to 70 students, it will be tedious. So simply you can go with copy pasting the list. I have a list of students here for a demo purpose. I have copied them and pasted over here, and add student. Now the student got added here. All the students got added, and we have to share this details to the students. So I copy this details into a notepad, Here in this, the first field is name followed by the nickname. Name, nickname. It follows in this order. And also I share the classroom code. Copy the link also. If they have any issues, they can click on the link and get into the class. So here I'm going to share these details from line number 6 to line number 25 to the students. Class code, class link, and this field is their name for the student. This is the class, sorry, nickname of the students. Okay, now let's go to let's see how it will look like for the student. So in this new browser, separate browser, different browser, I'm just going to show you how the student will access this. Student have to click join and enter the class code here. I'm just copying the class code from the teacher login. This is student login. Here I paste the class code and go to my class, and I have to copy the student nickname, and I paste it over here. And this is the way student will be using, like class code he have to enter and this nickname he have to enter, that's all. He don't have to enter any mail ID or anything. For him the nickname and class code is the reference thing. And here once they log in, they will be seeing this side menus, and here they have to choose circuit and create a new circuit. And here they will see the workspace and the components. For demo, I'm just going to connect a LED to this battery. Okay, that's all. I have made the connections, and so the student had done the experiment now. For verifying this, they will click the start simulation and they will observe the changes over here. Once the simulation starts, the LED glows. Okay, this is what the student will do in their side, and please ask the student to rename the circuit, okay, because in Tinkercad it will give a random name. To rename this circuit, let them go to the properties here by clicking the settings icon, and ask them to enter the experiment number 1, like that. Ask them to give the name properly. So from faculty side it will be easy for us to verify the circuit. See, now we are going to move to the faculty login. Here in faculty login, I switched to faculty login. I am refreshing it again. So when I see here, see, I have logged in as a Babu in a different browser. He had turned to blue. If it is gray, the student have not turned into, and if it is blue, the student was there or joined to the Tinkercad. So now let's see what Babu had done. Go to circuits and click experiment. So here you will see this is Babu's page. In Babu's page he had done this one circuits, and in circuits when he did it, and what is the circuit's name. Like I told, we have to rename it so that uniformly it is easy for us to track the circuits. Experiment number 1. And okay, now here you can run this. To run this from your side, this is students work running from the faculty login. So click simulate, and when you click simulate you will get these options. uh, Start a simulation, and you can see the circuit is done correctly or no. You can verify it by looking into this. And if you want to give any comment to Babu's work, you can give it over here. And also you can find this work was done originally by Babu. If it is not done, it will look in orange color, and it will say that this work was remixed from the source, from so and so, like that it will show and highlighted in the orange color. If it is originally done by the student itself, then it will look as a green color. So we can keep track either the student had copied the work, or is it their original own work. Why I'm saying this is a student can copy a code from a repository. Here this repository has many circuits and designs available. So from this, a student can easily copy the design and code to your login. So how to identify that? I'm just clicking this copy some others work, so it will get copied into my account. See, I can do the changes. I can make all the circuit connections. I can enhance this also. This helps us to extend their work, or we can if a student want to show it as their work also, they will show. But we can easily identify it is a copied work or not. So let me show that how to identify it. So Babu had done two work. One is his own work, experiment number 1, and the second experiment is copied one. Even if he changes the name, experiment 2, he have copied and changed the name. Let's see how it will look like in Babu our faculty login. This is faculty login. Here, go to class, go to the subject, click on the student. You have to click select the circuits, and you will see their work here. And I click this one is the work. You can see here this is a remix of Arduino data logger from someone else work the student have copied. We can easily track and identify if it is been borrowed from others. And you can say give the comments. Give the comment. And check with other students. And when for the student will get the notifications over here. See, for this work, the faculty from this login, I had given a good job as a comment, and for this work, since it is copied from someone, I had given it a given try by yourself as a comment, and it got reflected to him here. So this way we can easily monitor the student and also keep interacting with the students directly with their experiments. Thank you.